Hi there. In this video, you will learn how to use pen tool. So let's get started. The pen tool is used to draw anything. You can use it to draw curves and shapes, logos, and much more. Go to tool panel on the left side of the window. Here is the pen tool. The short key of the pen tool is P. You can see there are some other options. We will discuss them later. Select the pen tool first. How to create shapes with pen tool. I am simply clicking on the artboard. As you click on the artboard, anchor point is created. Don't drag, don't hold. Just click on the artboard like this. You can create any shape whatever you want. I am creating a triangle. And a rectangle. If you want to make a straight line, hold the shift key while dragging. Just click on the artboard like this. Now I am adding the fill color. In both shapes. I am changing the color into white for the next shape. So you have seen that how can we create simple shapes with a pen tool. In open shapes, how can you get rid of the pen tool where your shape is not closing like triangle or rectangle? In this situation, what you have to do? You have to press the escape key from the keyboard. Now we will learn how to create curves with the pen tool. Creating curves is not difficult in actual. You just have to understand how it works. Firstly, just click once anywhere like this. Don't drag, don't hold. Now my mouse is completely free. Now click anywhere, and while clicking doesn't release the mouse. Hold it like that. While dragging the mouse to the bottom, you can see the curve is on the top. And if you drag the mouse to the top, your curve will go in the bottom. So basically your mouse and curves works opposite. Another thing you have to understand that there are two handles. As I decrease the length of the handle, you have noticed that the depth of the curve is decreased. Even it turns into a flat line. So the depth of the curve depends on the length of the handle. Now there is a second curve. As you see, there are two handles. The first handle is for the first curve and the second is for the second curve. Click anywhere to create second curve. Now press escape key from the keyboard. Press V key to select the selection tool. You can increase the stroke weight. Go to the stroke panel and increase the stroke weight. Now I have created a curve. But what if I want to change it? Go to the direct selection tool, click anywhere on the shape. If you click on the second curve, the second handle will show on. If you click on the first curve, the first handle will be shown on. If you click in the center on the anchor point, you will see both handles. Now you can adjust them as you like. Now I am decreasing the length of the second handle. You can see it affects on the second curve. It doesn't affect the first curve. I hope now you have understood the concepts of handles and curves. Let's move on. Now I am creating a leaf. Click anywhere on the artboard, adjust the curve like that. Now the second curve is automatically adjusted according to the second handle, and you can see that it doesn't help to create the perfect shape of the leaf. So what will I do? Press Ctrl+C to undo the step. Now go to the anchor point. If you hover over the anchor point, you can see a little arrow along with the pen tool. If you click on the anchor point, it will delete the second handle. Now you can adjust the curve and its depth easily. Now change its fill color and turn off the stroke. Make the color a bit darker. You can move the shape by holding and dragging. Resize the shape by holding the Shift key. Adjust the leaf on the curve like this. Make a duplicate by holding the Alt key and drag it. Adjust the leaf on the curve like this. Adjust the leaf as you want by making duplicates of it and resize them. Creating curve is not difficult in actual, you just have to understand how it works. So the pen tool is very easy to use, you can make the shapes with it as we have learned in the start of the lecture. Creating curves is tricky but not difficult, you just have to understand the concept of handles and curves. Keep an eye on the movement of the curves while positioning its handle at the start. Try to make practice more and more, it will become the easiest tool for you. I hope this lecture will be informative for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.